This is a picture of Willy Wagtail attacking the magpies. We've got a watchbird. Usually it's the other way around. The magpies attack people, but now we've got a little pet Willy Wagtail who keeps her magpies out of the yard, or tries to. Poor, poor defenceless magpies being attacked by a vicious little black bird called a Willy Wagtail. And there you are, driven out of the yard again by the most vicious animal on earth, the Willy Wagtail. Here you are, how to get rid of your magpies. Hire a Willy Wagtail.